I love to eat food, so that's probably where my love of cooking came from. The type of food that I like cooking the most was probably, I discovered it more through doing MasterChef actually, because when I was doing my take on Caribbean food, they really loved it, and they always gave really positive feedback and really enjoyed it. I applied to MasterChef to be able to do something different, to really just challenge myself and kind of see what it's like to work under high pressure and just be really uncomfortable. Advice that I would give to students that are trying to do healthy meals but on a budget would definitely be menu planning, and also ordering online. Plan what you're gonna have for your breakfast, lunch and dinner. And if you just take like 10 or 15 minutes out every week to be able to plan that, you can really look at how you can roll dishes over, and it really kind of minimizes wastage. Also, if you can shop online, whether it's splitting a shop with somebody else, but the best way is to order online, because I find for me that sometimes I'll be going into the supermarket and I'll see all these offers that are on, and then I all of a sudden have a sweet tooth and I want to get this and that, and I realise I've spent money on stuff that actually doesn't really make a full meal. So if you actually plan your menus and you order online, then you literally select what it is that you want, and you have more time to be able to go through and see what the better price is, where you're getting better value for money rather than like the thing that's just at eye level. Any students that want to do cooking as a career or just a bit more for fun, I would say the best way is just to throw yourself in the deep end, invite some friends and family over if you haven't done already, and just cook for them. Books, coming up with new ideas, just sketching some ideas and doing it. If you wanted to like do it professionally, I would definitely recommend going to a catering college and studying and doing it that way, and then also going into restaurants, because you'll learn so much in restaurants, especially Michelin ones. I really like just making nice food where people enjoy it, and obviously if you have a really nice meal, it's just like the best thing ever. So to be able to be a person that can create food that people really enjoy, and to see people grateful and thankful and they're so happy, and you know they're in a good mood for the rest of the day because I've cooked something that they really enjoy, it's like one of the best feelings ever.